AJ dito. Sabay-sabay tayo magsasayawan, magkakantahan. Bibigyan namin kayo ng songs from the past, mga songs ng Gen Zs na sasabayan ninyo, and also yung mga songs na sasayawin ninyo. So, hindi tayo mabubore ngayong gabi. So again, isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang hiyaw! But before we start, we would like to thank Father Benny Aguila, the school director, Mrs. Nenet Estacio, director for academic affairs, SHA, School Home Association, officers and representatives headed by SHA President Sharon A. Rojas, and syempre sa lahat po ng bumubuo sa production team, sa aming sound system, maraming salamat.